one way that we use, one way that I use puppets at this teaching center is I will use them to help with sentence patterns. And what I do is I project a background that could be interactive. The ones I'm doing today aren't, because we're going to look at how I do the sentence pattern, how is the weather, and the various responses for that. So here it is. Boo Boo is in a situation where it is winter time. He's not wearing a coat, and so I can have the student say, "How is the weather?" And then I will turn to my side a little bit so I can kind of hide that my lips are moving. Sometimes I'll use some cheap ventriloquism techniques, like speaking out of the side of your mouth. So you talk with just one side of your mouth, but the other side of your mouth isn't moving. So they can't see your lips moving as much. Anyway, so they say, "How's the weather?" And then Boo Boo might say, "Cold." And Boo Boo is always suffering, but it's funny. Cold again. "How's the weather?" "It's cloudy. I'm sad." And maybe I'll have them on my head. "It's cloudy. I'm so sad. Oh, where is the sun?" I'm hot, and since this is an ESL situation, as a teacher, I'm supposed to try and speak English as much as possible, but sometimes I'll break the rule using my puppet. And so they'll say, "How is the weather, Boo Boo?" And Boo Boo will say, "Oh, which means I'm really hot. And then Boo Boo can say something in English, "It's sunny," which explains why he's hot and miserable. "It's windy." Let's find a good windy one. Oh, here it is. This is rainy. "It's rainy." And Boo Boo is in the rain. "Oh no!" The screen just flipped. "It's rainy. Oh, wet, wet, wet. Blow, 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 blow. Oh, it's rainy." Sunny. Windy. Windy's kind of a fun one because I will put Boo Boo in the path of the wind and go, "Shh, shh, it's windy, shh." Maybe he gets blown all the way to the far wall. I'll do that with a kite. When I'm teaching the word kite, Boo Boo will have a kite. "Oh, it's a kite." "What is it, children?" "Kite, kite, it's a kite." Achoo! Ah! And they lose it with laughter. They absolutely love these simple jokes and misfortunate events that can happen to the puppet.
Cool.